Hi everyone, I am Roshni and you're watching Property Cloud. Today we are going to talk about a premium residential development in Chennai, L&T Manapakkam by L&T Realty, located in Manapakkam, Chennai. This project is ideal for home buyers who are looking for spacious home, strong connectivity and the trust of the reputed developer, all combined with a modern lifestyle. In this video, we will cover the project overview, location and connectivity, amenities and lifestyle, apartment configuration and pricing, and the booking process. So let's start with a quick overview of the project. L&T Manapakkam is a part of a large-scale mixed-use development spread across approximately 40 acres, where residential and commercial zones are smartly integrated. Out of this, around 7 acres are dedicated to residential development, while the rest is planned for commercial use, ensuring long-term growth and everyday convenience. The project features a total of 6 residential towers with a ground plus 16 structure, offering premium 3 and 4 BHK spacious residences. And these homes are Vastu compliant and come with high quality marble flooring developed by the trusted brand L&T Realty, and the expected possession is around December 2028. Now coming to the location part, so Manapakkam is well-connected residential area in Chennai, offering easy access to key destinations like the airport, IT hub and daily essentials. The Chennai International Airport is approximately 15 minutes away. The OMR IT corridor is about 25 minutes away. The proposed Manapakkam metro station is just 7 minutes away. Guindi is around 20 minutes away and the Porur junction is about 12 minutes from the project. And this makes it highly convenient location for both professionals and families. And in terms of amenities and lifestyle, the project is designed to offer a modern and balanced living experience. It includes a swimming pool, a fully equipped gym, a large 30,000 square feet clubhouse, a children play area, squash and badminton court, and these amenities ensure a comfortable, active and community-focused lifestyle. Looking at the configuration and pricing, so the project offers spacious and premium residences. The 3 BHK large apartments are around 1900 square feet starting from 3.20 crore rupees onwards. The 4 BHK units are approximately 2200 square feet starting from 3.70 crore rupees onwards, and the larger 4 BHK options go up to around 2600 square feet starting from 4.20 crore rupees onwards. And these homes are designed with a spacious layout and premium specification, making them ideal for end-use luxury living. Now coming to the booking process, so during a site visit, you will get a complete walkthrough of the project along with a detailed explanation of tower layout, unit options, floor plans and the pricing. And post-visit, interested buyers can proceed with the booking. L&T Manapakkam is a strong opportunity for those looking for premium living, excellent connectivity and the reliability of the trusted brand. So if you are planning to buy a spacious luxury home in a prime location in Chennai, then this project is definitely worth considering. For brochure, pricing details or to schedule a site visit, check the link in the description. NRI buyers from US, UK, UAE, Europe and Singapore can also connect with us for virtual presentation. So if you enjoy such premium residential videos like this, then don't forget to subscribe to Property Cloud. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services and many more.